We're less than 4 months away from when we expect Samsung to introduce the whole Galaxy S25 series of phones, and we now have our first true look at the top phones. The latest leak comes to us via regular Samsung tipster Ice Universe over on X, where they posted an image of 3 phones on a desk lying on a keyboard. The tweet is titled S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra. Previously leaked photographs of the upcoming handsets have all been renders from CAD drawings, which may not include all the elements that we'll ultimately see on the smartphones. We've also spotted several dummy devices that were reportedly for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. That said, Ice Universe's image only shows off the front of the 3 Samsung Galaxy S25 phones, and the handsets all have plastic screen protectors on them. The image does seem to validate the smoother corners we expect for the S25 series, notably the Ultra model, which is shedding its sharp corners. However, the Ultra corners appear significantly smaller compared to those of the S25 and S25 Plus. Unfortunately, they offered no more photographs of the phones believed to be the S25 smartphones, so we can't comment on any additional potential design adjustments, especially regarding the camera array or rear of the device. There have been quite a few leaks this week regarding Samsung's future phones. Yesterday, it was rumored that Samsung may move to the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 chipset for the S25 and S25 Plus, while retaining the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 for the Ultra model. We also got a glance at the revised One UI 7 skin that should come on the S25 series. Samsung officially stated that the One UI 7 public beta is due before the end of 2024, but no exact date has been released. Out of the Galaxy S25 series, most leaks and rumors so far have concentrated on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. It is predicted that next year's top-of-the-line flagship from Samsung will be powered by the Snapdragon processor, but the business could launch MediaTek chipset inside its Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus phones. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to undergo some big changes, notably in terms of its design. The phone is reported to forego the harsh corners now featured on the Galaxy S24 Ultra for more rounded corners, giving a conformable grip. Samsung executives have also stated that the company will bring the highest degree of display and camera advancements with the Galaxy S25 Ultra, and the recent leak might have provided us a look into these improvements. According to tipster Ice Universe, the Galaxy S25 Ultra's display could get rid of the screen graininess problem of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The source said that the Galaxy S25 series screen is great, which might suggest Samsung may offer an updated screen technology. The graininess issue, noted by many Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra users, involves a fragmented and textured appearance on the display when seen in certain lighting circumstances. The issue was also noted when viewing darker colors at low brightness. The anti-reflective glass was blamed for this issue. While this is no official information, looking at the track record of Ice Universe and based on prior leaks, Samsung is expected to offer enhancements. Recently, leaked screen protectors highlighted the size discrepancy between the different variants of the rumored Galaxy S25 series. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is believed to be significantly thinner and lightweight than previously expected. Samsung is also anticipated to enhance its cameras on the flagship phone. Next, Samsung is slated to debut the Galaxy S25 Ultra, promising a redesigned design with a sleeker frame and thinner bezels. Another fascinating potential is the introduction of satellite communication, which might offer a new layer of capability to the gadget. Notably, the S25 Ultra will come with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset, fully phasing out the Exynos variant. Although this fresh leak doesn't prove everything, it offers a taste of the kind of performance we might anticipate. A benchmark of the Galaxy S25 Ultra appears on Geekbench. It gives us a first glimpse at its CPU capabilities and reveals light on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4's architecture. According to the ad, the CPU includes 2 high-performance cores clocked at 4.2 GHz. There are also 6 efficiency cores working at up to 2.9 GHz. This arrangement provides a big leap ahead compared to the previous generation. It certainly delivers higher speed and overall efficiency. The benchmark results reveal a considerable jump in the Galaxy S25 Ultra's performance. There is a 30% jump in both single-core and multi-core scores when we look at the Galaxy S24 Ultra. This upgrade displays the powerful power of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset. The new SO key surprisingly uses a 2+6 configuration. As a result, the chipset contains 2 high-speed cores and 6 efficient ones. It provides users a fantastic blend of performance and battery life, especially for applications that need greater power. This 2+6 design was seen before in an overclocked version of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, albeit those earlier results were less accurate due to various difficulties. Now, the latest Geekbench listing indicates the normal version of the chipset may deliver a reliable and consistent gain in performance for both core types. As for where it will be available, the model number SM938 suggests that this Galaxy S25 Ultra edition is headed to the US. The phone will come with Android 15, as expected, and 12 gigs of RAM. There may possibly be a 16 gigs version available for individuals who need extra RAM for heavy multitasking or demanding software. This might make the Galaxy S25 Ultra a top selection for consumers who demand robust hardware and seamless performance in their daily work. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to press that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tech news and updates. See you tomorrow. Peace out.